Isha Ambani and Diljit Dosanjh channel Indian royal heritage at the Met Gala. A look at their ensembles. The Met Gala made its grand return with its trademark glitz, flair, and show-stopping fashion moments. Among the global celebrities who turned heads this year were Isha Ambani and Diljit Dosanjh, who walked the iconic red carpet alongside names like Shah Rukh Khan and Kiara Advani. Making his much-anticipated debut, Diljit Dosanjh embraced a look deeply rooted in Punjabi heritage while reflecting the grandeur of Indian royalty. He stepped onto the carpet in an ivory sherwani featuring elaborate golden embroidery along with bodice and cuffs. Complemented by a matching cape, the ensemble gave off a stately, most imperial presence. A closer look at the outfit revealed thoughtful cultural references. Embroidered onto the cape was the Mool Mantra in Gurumukhi, the foundational verse in Sikhism that expresses its spiritual essence, Ik Onkar Satnam Karta Purakh. These sacred words not only served as a personal reminder of faith, but were also literally woven into the narrative he wore. Adding to the symbolism, a gold-stitched map of Punjab graced the cape, paying tribute to Diljit's roots. The look also nodded to Maharaja Bhupinder Singh of Patiala, a 20th century monarch famed for his lavish style and legendary Cartier-made Patiala necklace adorned with 1,000 carats of diamonds. Meanwhile, Isha Ambani stunned in a custom creation by Anamika Khanna, thoughtfully created to reflect the Met Gala's 2025 theme, Superfine, tailoring black style in its dress code, tailored for you. Her outfit brought a graceful edge to gender-fluid fashion, featuring a white and gold corset with a sweetheart neckline and intricate embellishments. Often described as Indian royalty herself, Isha elevated the ensemble with a full-sleeve floor-grazing trench coat embellished with rich golden embroidery running from its dramatic cutout sleeves down to the train. The coat radiated elegance. Balancing this grandeur was a pair of sleek black tailored trousers, a perfect blend of couture and power dressing. A now viral Instagram story offered an up-close look at her jewelry. The post stated the diamond necklace belonged to the Maharaja of Navangar, now owned by Cartier. This necklace was also the one shown in Ocean's 8 get stolen at the Met Gala. When a jewelry influencer quizzed her about her stunning accessories, Isha revealed that many of the pieces, including the standout necklace and the brooch adorning her trousers, were part of her mother Nita Ambani's personal collection. The outfit was completed with a coordinated brooch, bold diamond earrings, and a pearl-encrusted hair accessory. Staying true to the dandy vibe, she added a white hat for extra flair. Her hair styled into a sleek braid was accented with a peacock-shaped clip, a subtle yet regal reference to Indian tradition.